Lights, camera, action. It's not as easy as that, especially if you have never done vlogging or speaking in public. So this video is for you. Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Jackie D, and my goal is to help you feel good about yourself because social media can be very demanding and very negative. I'm here to help get you up and running so that you feel good about going online. Whether you want to vlog, or you want to be a web presenter, or you want to run your own online TV show, I have very important tips for you that you need to take note of when you're just starting. Number one, we're talking about poise and posture. So when you're on screen, you want to be sure that your shoulders are straight, level. You feel like there's a cape behind you, and that throws your shoulders a little off to the back, giving you a better jawline, and it sort of elongates your neck. Like, I don't have much of a neck, so this is really important for me. Okay, next. Be very conscious of your posture the entire time. Of course, you don't want to speak like this. You don't want to be that stiff, but you want to sway a little bit, but always keep in mind that wherever you're moving, your shoulders are always in check. Second, look at the camera lens. I've seen some vloggers who are looking this way or who are this close. Your eyes should be level with the camera. Because remember, your audience is watching you online, and so you want them to feel that you're talking to them. Because that's exactly why we are online, right? We are talking to our audience, like I am talking to you. Number three. Speak clearly. Speak your normal pace, but when we're a little bit anxious, when we're a little bit nervous or excited, our pitch tends to go up a little bit and we're very fast when we're talking. So we want to breathe. We want to relax a little bit. We want to feel that this is fun. This is something we want to do. This is something we love to do. It's our normal voice. It is our normal expression. We're not stiff. We're not feeling so tense because we gotta feel like this is fun. Imagine yourself talking to a friend. There you go. Does that help? And finally, be yourself. You don't want to be a different person online, unless of course you're an actor. You want to be this person online, and when they see you outside or at events, you're still the same person, right? What people see is what people get. So be very normal, be you. And that way, you're very relaxed, you're very spontaneous, because this is you. This is me. Okay, so those are my tips for today. If you found this episode useful, don't forget to give it a like and comment. I really love hearing comments. My channel is very new, so I'll have one comment. I will reply to it like 10 times so that I'm very active on social media. Just kidding. But otherwise, feel free to share too and subscribe. And then that way you can help me make this channel bigger so we can spread the good news and the information to a wider audience, and you can also help me share my message. I also have a blog, don't forget, my website, jackied.com. Come visit, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.